Hi Pisces, I'm Anisha. You can write to me at tarotbyanisha@gmail.com. You can also visit my website www.tarotbyanisha.com. And this is your monthly forecast for July 2014. Pisces, this month we have 3 planets that are going to be affecting you majorly. We have a new moon in Cancer. We have Jupiter that is entering Leo mid-month. And then we have Scorpio. And then we have Saturn that is going direct in Scorpio towards the end of the month. We begin this month with a new moon in Cancer, and it's highlighting a part of your chart that has to do with self-expression. It has to do with romance. It has to do with a lot of celebration, playfulness, children, creativity, and just lots of socializing. A lot of you could be in a very fun-filled, loving, romantic mood as you begin the month, and a lot of you could be in, I think, in either it's just the beginning of a relationship that you are in, and you could be finding yourself really truly madly in love, and some of you could be experiencing great joy through your children. For a lot of you, they could be this could be an extension of your self creativity as well. So you could be finding great pleasure through whether it is your music or your art or your theater or your movies, whatever it is that you do, you could be finding a lot of satisfaction out of it. It's also a very passionate time for you, Pisces, and a lot of you could be feeling more bold than usual. You could be willing to be taking some risks which earlier you could have sort of shied away from doing so. There's also a sense of feeling quite confident about yourself. Mid-month we have Jupiter that is entering Leo, and it's entering a part of your chart that has to do with your health. It has to do with your day-to-day chores, and Jupiter is just going to be coming in, expanding and creating more opportunities wherein that you can greatly benefit from. Either it's a new diet, or it's a healthy way of living, or it's just a newer lifestyle, a more healthier and a better lifestyle that you've adapted to yourself. You could also find your ability to focus on little details that earlier could have been quite irritating. So it could be your mundane day-to-day work which you will be able to focus on quite easily. You'll also find a lot of happiness and joy in doing menial work. You'll quite enjoy, whether it has to do with cleaning your car, washing your bike, or it has to do with some form of plumbing work around your house. You'll feel quite happy doing some work with your hands. You'll derive a lot of joy from that. Pisces, this is also a time for great transformation as far as your looks are also concerned, and along, of course, like I said, with your health and your diet, of course, you will be quite happy as to how it is that you're looking, but you'll be quite keen to look better as well. You would want to really project, you would want to portray a very newer version of you, a very healthy, invigorated version of. The more integrity and honesty you bring to your services, Pisces, the more payback you'll receive. We have Saturn that is going direct in Scorpio around the 20th, and Saturn has been there in this part of your chart since beginning of 2013, and it's about a 2.5-year transit that is there. You just have about 6 months to go now, and Saturn is going to be focusing on your long distance travel. It's going to be focusing your communication skills, how it is that you network with people who are maybe across the borders, different cultures, different people, really people who have different values, ethics from you. It'll also be focusing on expansion on mind. Maybe there are some ideas, some thoughts that you're not just sort of able to wrap your head around it, and Saturn has been pushing you to do that. And it's Saturn is really the big daddy of all the planets, even though Saturn is a she, she's really a mother of all the planets, but Saturn is going to be sitting there, and she has been pushing you for the longest to be how it is that you interact with different cultures, how it is that you interact with people who are not similar to you, who have different ideals, who have different values, how it is, maybe for some of you there could be a thought of maybe living not in your country but somewhere outside of your country, and maybe that could just be a huge resisting thing in your mind. Maybe a lot of you don't want to go, and there could be an opportunity that could be presenting itself. For some of you who have been quite rigid about expanding your mind and adapting newer ideas, newer thoughts, newer value systems, I think Saturn would have pushed you around and put you in circumstances which could have forced you to look at newer perspectives, newer ways of thinking and of being with people. And even though some of you may nod your head and say that, oh, I'm very flexible, and oh, I always adapt very fast, but it speaks about deeper, going really deep and understanding and adapting, and then operating from there. So Saturn has been doing that for you. Now, if you have been wanting to study for the longest time, you may find that it's been a little difficult to study, especially for those of you who have been studying long distance. It could have been quite a pain since a year and a half. However, the transit is just hanging. It's just about another 6 months. You could be, especially for Pisceans who are there in college, it could have been quite a strain trying to study. And even for those of you who are trying to maybe pick up a degree through the internet, you're studying, doing a course through the internet from a university that is outside, it could have been quite a challenge to retain all the information as well. You could have felt a tad serious right at the beginning of when the transit began, about looking at how life is and how things are going and so on. And the transit also would have made you look at your blind faith in your value systems and your notions about what is right and what is wrong. And for some of you, it could have just sort of shaken a lot of stuff upside down on what you really believed to be the gospel, and said, no, this is how I know, and this is how way it is done, or this is how things work, or this is how work is to be done. For some of you, I think, who are pursuing a certain goal, you need to be asking yourself for what is it and for who it is and for what purpose is it that you're pursuing a goal, whether it is a study or it is a skill set that you're trying to add, or whether it is you're pursuing not just studies, but you could be pursuing an agenda. You could be working towards a goal which could be or a project which could be really a long project. It could be, say, a year and a half, 2 years old. You need to be asking whether how valid is that. Does it really apply to the goal that you're looking at? Are you even aware of what your current goal is, and does it really fit the goal? So a lot of hard questions, Pisces. Don't just sort of keep moving and saying, oh, now I need to be doing this, and not stop to reevaluate. It is also a time where Saturn is going to make you reevaluate and look at your goals and see as to, is it really where you want to go, and where it is that you want to go are the questions that Saturn is going to be asking you. So overall, a good month. Starts with a lot of love and a lot of romance, Pisces. Enjoy yourself. See to it that your confidence is there. Try not to wear your heart on your sleeves. Towards the end, as the Saturn in any case has been there, try and adapt yourself again to if ideas and certain I wouldn't say value systems, but maybe things that you've grown up with thinking and believing that is how it is supposed to be done and that is how it is done. Maybe you just need to relook at them and see whether there is another way of doing that better. It's been a pleasure speaking with you. I'll see you again next month, and thank you so much for watching.